Hey, this is Philip Dahlheimer with the viral publicity here at Sauté's Asian Bistro in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Chelsea Addison of PrePaid Legal Service. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
It's been a great turnout tonight, I'd say. So tell us a little bit about PrePaid Legal and how that can benefit just the average person.
Prepaid legal and identity theft is a voluntary benefit or service that people can participate in for a low monthly fee. There's no contract involved. And with this service, members are able to have access to a full-service law firm to have their legal questions answered, get some advice, find out what their rights are. A lot of us are struggling with the economy. We just don't know what to do with these credit card bills that come in, the debt collectors. We don't understand the insurance documents. Maybe we need to get our will updated. And then help out with moving traffic violations. That's always a big one. Trial defense benefits, there's IRS audit, 24-hour emergency access, and for the larger matters, there's a 25% discount for the members. So for maybe a divorce, a bankruptcy, that type of thing. The identity theft that we provide is a comprehensive full-service restoration service. It's a unique product. It's the only one on the market that actually does a full restoration work in all 5 areas of your identity, not just your financial. And so we provide the full restoration work. So instead of you trying to figure out how to fix this problem that somebody else created, let the experts at Kroll do that for you. They actually will provide you with your will, your medical directive, and your medical power of attorney, one for you and one for your spouse or significant other, with updates as needed. So as your circumstances change, then you're able to contact the law firm and they can update those important documents for you at no additional cost as long as you're a member.
Right. Yeah. And the cost of prepaid legal is actually very affordable. What is that?
$26.95 per month or less.
Right.
Yes, so it's very affordable. This is also a nationwide service as well, so we're not just confined to Las Vegas. So we do know that people travel. They have situations in other states such as California or even back east. And the laws are different in every state, so it's important to know that you do have a law firm in each state that can represent you on each of these matters. You're not tied to just Las Vegas. We are not an attorney referral system. We actually have contracted with full-service law firms in every state to help our members. So you're not going to be just, sifting through the yellow pages trying to find some random Joe Schmo. You're actually going to find a full-service law firm that's, A+ rated and that's there to help you with all your needs.
Okay. And do you get assigned a single attorney throughout your time at Prepaid Legal?
For each situation is different. When you call in, you're assigned a case file number. Every time that you call in regarding that specific case file number, you will be speaking with the same attorney through that entire transaction. So you're not having to re-explain your story over and over again. But again, of course, because the laws are different, you do have different laws with consumer law and debt collections and with family law. So you will, whatever your circumstances, you can call in and you will talk to an attorney that specializes in that area of law. So if you do have multiple situations, you'll have a case file for each situation that applies to each attorney. So when you do call in, you reference that case file number and then you have that same attorney. Yeah, spouse or significant other, we do recognize domestic partnership. We don't ask any questions about that. And then any never married dependent children up to the age of 21, 23 if they're full-time college students, and any handicapped or mentally challenged children for life.
So as your child is becoming a teenager around the age of 18, that's could be something to really think about there.
Definitely, because they're venturing out, going to school. They have college questions about their jobs or maybe about housing, renting their first apartment. They need to, by having this service as a parent, you're also teaching your children how to be more proactive and be more self-independent, be able to get the answers that they need instead of always having to run to you for the answers, right?
And they also, I heard, do things with DMV if you get into a situation.
Actually, yes, they do help out with speeding tickets. I myself actually just received a speeding ticket in Henderson. I was in a school zone 29 and a 15. Very shocking. But as soon as I wiped away the tears and I got over my shock because it's been so long, I immediately called the law firm. I talked to one of the attorneys. She told me fax over the ticket, no problem. Within a couple of days, she called me back. She said, no problem. We're going to get this reduced to a parking ticket for you, so no points on your record. You're not going to have to go to traffic school. And they cut my fine in half. So it was a huge benefit. Didn't cost me anything extra. I didn't have to go to court. I don't have to go to traffic school. My insurance rates aren't going to go up. And all because I have this prepaid legal membership.
All right, well, tell our audience your website where they can contact you.
Okay, the website would be www.chelsea-addison.info. The hyphen is the minus sign because sometimes people, so it's CHELSEA-Addison, ADDISON.
Perfect. Well, great. Thank you for sharing prepaid legal with our audience. This is Philip Dahlheimer with Chelsea Addison at Sauté Asian Bistro here in Las Vegas. We'll see you at the next Viral Publicity Mixer.